Yan bang ginagawa mo ngayon? Yan yung gusto mong gawin the rest of your life. Kung hindi ka masaya at napapagod ka sa iyong ginagawa ngayon, there is something lacking. Ano yun? Makinig ka. Dumating sa punto ng aking buhay na napagod ako at hindi na masaya sa aking trabaho. Kaya naghanap ako ng ibang trabaho. I do business sa food industry. Pero nabigo ako. Naghanap ako ulit ng isang gawain na magbibigay sa akin ng saya, pagtuturo. At naging masaya ako sa pagtuturo dahil iyon yung aking passion. Pero hindi pa rin ako naging masaya. Until one day, I found my life purpose and happiness. My ikigai. I found my love to do. Kahit abutin ako ng hating gabi, hindi ko namamalayan ang oras. I love doing it. Inspiring and motivating people. That's my passion. Number 2, I found what I good at. Na kahit hindi ako bayaran, gagawin ko ito. I love teaching and educating people. That's my profession. And number 3, I found what the world needs. Abundance life in all areas of our life. Spiritual, mental, relational, physical, and financial. Through my passion and profession, I give solution to the world needs. And that's my mission. And number 4, I found what people paid for me. Ito yung mahirap kasi nasanay ako na pwede kong gawin ang isang bagay na kahit hindi ako bayaran. Pero I need money to sustain my needs and my family needs. Doing my passion, my profession, and my mission. That's my vocation, my calling. Ano ang tawag dito sa 4 na pilar na ito? The reason to live and happiness. Ikaw, natagpuan mo na ba ang life purpose ng iyong buhay? Kung hindi pa, kuha ka ng kapirasong papel at ballpen. Isulat mo itong 4 na question, sagutan. What you love to do. Number 2, what you good at. And number 3, what the world needs. And number 4, what people paid for. Before we end this video, may I invite you to attend our Building Your Future. Dito, matututunan mo on how to have abundance life, especially financial. And number 2, on how to find your ikigai. Chat mo lang ako sa aking personal Facebook account. Saturday 1 p.m. Financial Center, Makati. Nandun ako, kita tayo.